Hey all, this is Anirudh. Today I'm going to show you how you can detect if any user profile don't have any image, and in place of that image you can provide a dummy image. Okay, just like this. So let me show you. First I will take one screen. I'll delete that canvas control. Now I will put one gallery. The gallery I will bound with, so this is one of the connector. Okay, you need to add this connector Office 365 users. Now in this connector you can get search user v2. So all this information related to Office 365 users, you can go to this particular page, MSDN page. You can get few of the information. First, Office 365 users dot my profile. My profile is the current user related information you can get. Then you can get user profile, and then you need to pass the email ID of a particular user whom you wanted to find the city or any of the information like that. So the difference between this and this is current user related information, and this is any user information in your tenant. You just need to pass the email ID and you will get the information. Okay. Then let's say you wanted to find manager related information of any user. So you need to put that user email ID and you can get the manager related information. Okay. Now this is interesting. What it will do is you need to provide some of the, let's say there are one search box and you wanted to give search capability to that particular user, so you can use this kind of things. It always give you the collection of the user based on the search criteria met. Okay, so I will use that one. So as you see, there are three different parameters. One is search term, based on what you are actually looking for. Top, how many numbers you are actually looking for. I just want for now 100, let's say, and you need to provide a curly bracket. And skip token, I don't want it to use, so I just wanted to skip it. Okay, this kind of things it will give. Of course, you just can have empty parenthesis also, it will work. So dot value I will provide. Now you can see here I have found something. This is called city. I don't want city. I just wanted to see the display name of that particular user. Okay. Next, there is another box. Here, I just wanted to check the mail. Okay. Now, the image. How I get the image? I will provide the image. So it will be Office 365 user photo v2. Correct. Always you wanted to need to take that latest function, whatever the latest function is. Every time they update, but they don't wanted to obsolete that earlier one. So you need to take the recent one. So this is the one I wanted to take. Okay, so you will get it. Now using this, you can see the images will appear. Now you wanted to make it circular. First, what you need to do is you need to check what is the size. The same size you need to put here, border radius. So it will be a circular one if you wanted to do like this. Now you can see here there is no image and it is coming blank, but I wanted to do, so I have downloaded one dummy profile image, blank profile image. I uploaded it and rename it like this. Now what I wanted to do, if there is no image, that image should appear there. Okay, let me do it. So what you need to do is, for that, office users dot user photo metadata you will get. Based on that you will search with the current user, then you will get many of the properties. One of the properties is has photo, whether there is any photo attached with this profile or not. Of course, you can get also the height of the image, width of the image, what is the extension of the file, this kind of things also there. So what I'm going to do is, if photo is there, then it will look like this, or if photo is not there, then I will use the dummy profile image. Okay. You can see the dummy profile automatically appear here. Okay, you can do like this. Few more thing I just wanted to add here. Let's say I'll create one new screen. In this new screen, I will delete. Now I wanted to check who is the current user. How I will get. So user. Okay, there are three things you can see. One is email, full name, and image. Now full name and image. So let's say this is the email. Next, there is the full name. Okay, and third one, if you wanted to take the image. So you can see image appears rightly, everything is fine. One of the thing I can tell you that sometimes maybe you not able to find that particular image here. So what you need to do is basically you will again use that Office 365 user. Okay. Now here you need to provide the email ID of the particular user. So I will always suggest what you need to do is don't use like this. I mean user dot email. What it will do, it will work of course, but what it will do, always call that particular function, take the email, and then again call that user photo v2 function and then get your image. Okay, instead of that, if you multiple time use the same email ID, give the label with a name and then provide here. Okay, like this. Now as I said, also if you wanted to do, let's say if that particular person have image or not, that kind of things you can do again here, whatever we have done so far. Okay, so it will work like this. Currently I have image in my profile, so it is showing, but if that current user who is actually logged in, if he don't have any image, then he can see this kind of things. Again, another thing I just wanted to tell you that full name sometimes give you a wrong uh, full name. What does that mean? Let me show you. Let's consider one person is Satish Kumar Das and another person is Satish Das. Okay. In both the cases, the full name always give you that Satish Das. Okay. But if you use display name, you will always get the full name of that particular user. That Satish Kumar Das will be Satish Kumar Das, Satish Das will be Satish Das. Okay. Now, how you can do like this? So, as I said, instead of using full name, what you need to do basically, again, Office 365 user dot either my profile, okay, and then display name. That will be more consistent, more reliable function to get that full name of the particular logged in user instead of using full name. Okay, so that's all. Thanks for watching.